Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. Today we will discuss paper number 349, directions 1 to 5. Here we have a puzzle starting from 8 flowers A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are kept around a square table such that 4 flowers are kept at corner and remaining 4 are kept at middle of the table, but not necessarily in the same order. The flowers kept corner facing away from the table and the flowers kept at middle facing towards the center. So here we have a square table and there are totally 8 flowers sit around this table. The flowers they are sitting in the middle facing center. So these are facing center and remaining 4 flowers which are sitting in the corner, they are facing away from the center. So it is the second possibility. So see the first one, flower H is kept third to the right of G. Only one flower sit between H and D which is not adjacent to G. So flower H is third to the right of G. Suppose G here 1, 2, 3. Here H is placing. Suppose G here 1, 2, 3. Here H is placing. Next, only one flower between H and D. So between H and D only one person is there and D is not adjacent to G. So maybe D is placing here. Coming to second possibility, D is placing here. As many flowers between G and flower D as between C and E which is not next to D. So between G and D any flowers aithe unnayo anne flowers C ki E ki madhya untayi and also E is not next to D antunnadu. It means E is not adjacent to D. Next point, flower C is kept at the corner of the table but not adjacent to H. Okay, C is corner and between C and E and G and D ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఎన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో సేమ్ ఫ్లవర్స్ C కి E కి మధ్య ఉంటాయి. E is not adjacent to so D and also C placing corner of the table. So see first possibility, if C is facing here, C is placing here. So between G and D here 2 persons, here 4 persons are there, and also suppose if C is placing here, E is placing here. Okay, so between C and E here 2 persons, here 4 persons are there, and also E is not adjacent to D and C is placing corner. It is the first possibility. Coming to the second possibility, so where we can place C. Suppose if C is placing here, so C is placing here, it means C is not placing here. Why? Because C and H both are not adjacent. Suppose if C is placing here, C is placing here and C ki E ki మధ్యలో 2 persons ఉండాలి. సో ఇక్కడ 2 persons, ఇక్కడ 4 persons ఉండాలి. Okay, so it is the second possibility. E is not adjacent to D. Next point, F is kept second to the right of B and both flowers are kept middle of the table. So F is second to the right of B. Suppose if B is placing here, F is facing here. Why? Because both are sitting middle of the table. Coming to the second possibility, so we don't have places to fix B and F. So we have only one place we left. Middle lo one place మాత్రమే ఉంది కాబట్టి so this possibility not correct. So ఈ possibility తో మనకు అవసరం లేదు. It is the wrong possibility. So next point చూడండి ఒకసారి. Next point, flower A and flower C are not adjacent to each other. So here A is placing, A here and C here. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. First question, how many flowers are kept between D and A when counted from right of D? So D and A, this side if 3 flowers, this side also 3 flowers are there. So total 3. Which among the following flower is kept third to the left of B? So third to the left of B, so that is 1, 2, 3. It is A. Question number 3. So which among the following doesn't belonging to the group? So we need to find odd one out. The flower which is kept immediate left of D. So immediate left of D, that is F. F sitting in the middle. G is also middle. The flower which faces D, it is also middle, and D is corner and E facing middle. So D is the odd one out. Question number 4. All the flowers are arranged in alphabetical order starting from A anti-clockwise direction. Then how many positions? Then the positions of how many flowers remain unchanged starting from A? So anti-clockwise direction, it is the anti-clockwise direction excluding A కాకుండా మిగతావి చూస్తే సో B, C, D, E, F, so F is not changing, so G and H only F is not changing, so 1 is the answer. Next, E is related to A, then similar way G is related to C, so E is related to A, both are immediate neighbors, and also E ki left lo evaru unnaru, A unnadu, and also G is related to C, so G here and C here, G ki left lo C unnadu, then which among the following related to H, so H ki left lo evaru unnadu, that is B, so B is the answer. Next, so we have blood relation. See the question, R is the only nephew of Q who is brother-in-law of O. O has no siblings, so R is the only nephew of Q. Suppose it means, so R is the male candidate, or a father or mother, is the brother or sister of Q, and also Q who is brother-in-law of O. It means, so O is the either wife of husband of this person, and also Q is the male candidate. Okay, so these two are brother and sisters, or brothers or siblings, whatever it is. Next, O has no sibling, so O has no sibling. S is daughter-in-law of M who has only 2 children, so F is daughter-in-law of M, so it means F is the wife of this person is the child of M, and also so son of M, and also M has only 2 children. N is child of P who is wife of M, so P is the wife of M, it means M is the husband of P. N is child of P, so N is the child of P, we don't know what is the gender of N. T is N's child and sibling of R, so T is the N's child, so T is the N's child and also sibling of R, so sibling of R means both R and, so O and N both are parents. Okay, so both O and N, these two are parents, so N's child and sibling of R. So first point lo R is the only nephew of Q, so only nephew means T is the female candidate, so these two are husband and wife. Next point, O is not father of T, so O is not father of T means O is the mother of T and N is the father of T, and remaining person Q, so Q is the male candidate, so Q is placing here, so both Q yes ikkada mistake ayindi ikkada, so చూడండి F కాదు ఇక్కడ, సో N, so S daughter-in-law of N is child of P, so S is daughter-in-law of M, N is child of P who is wife of M, so Q, so it is S not F, so it is the S. So just silly mistake it is. So this is the final arrangement of the blood relation. So ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే these two are husband and wife, and Q and S both are husband and wife, and also T and R both are siblings, and N and Q both are husband and wife. And let us move on to the questions. Question number 6, how T related to P? So T related to P, so definitely granddaughter. Which among the following statement is true? So 3 married couple are there in the family, so definitely first one is the correct one. Number of females are more than males, so see 1, 2, 3 and 4, so total 8 persons lo 4 persons are male and 4 persons are female, so this is not correct. O is sister-in-law of Q, so O is the sister-in-law of Q, second one, third one is also correct. So what is the answer? Statement is true, so 3 married couple and so only 1 and 3, so actually only 1 and 3 is the correct one, so only 1 and 3 is the correct one. Next point, if V is married to R, how V related to O? So V is married to R, so R is the male candidate, it means V is the female candidate. How V related to O? Definitely daughter-in-law. Next, 9 to 13 9 to 13, 7 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U and V around a circular table facing all are facing the center. Each of them buys different cars like Ford, Tata, Fiat, Skoda, Hyundai, Toyota and Ferrari. All the details are not necessarily in the same order. So total we have 7 persons are there. So we have totally 7 persons are there and all are facing center. So all are facing center. So each one buy a different car. Okay, so here we have two possibilities. So see the first one, two persons sit between P and the one who buys Ford. R sits two persons away from P but not doesn't sit adjacent to the one who buy Ford. So all are facing center. Two persons are between P and one who buys Ford. So here P and here the person who buys Ford card. So it is also P and 1 2. Here Ford is there. Two possibilities. So see, R sits two persons away from P but doesn't sit adjacent to buy Ford car. So here P is not placing. So here R is not placing here 1 2. So here R is placing. So 1 2 here R is placing. Why? Because R is not adjacent to Ford car. Only one person sit between R and the one who buys Fiat. So between R and one who buys Fiat, only one person is there. It means here already we have Ford car. So it is Fiat. So P buys Fiat. So here also already Ford. So here Fiat card. So P buys Fiat card. Fiat car. Next, the one who buys Tata sit adjacent to P and to the immediate left of U. So the person who buys Tata sit adjacent to P and also immediate left of U అంటున్నాడు. So ఇక్కడ మనం టాటాని ప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటే ఇఫ్ ఈ ప్లేసింగ్ టాటా హియర్ U is there. So immediate left of U, that is Tata. Coming to this one, so if we place Tata here, already R is there, and also if we place Tata here, so U is placing here, so Tata is becoming immediate right of U వస్తుంది. మనకి యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్, వీ నీడ్ టు గెట్ immediate left of U, కాబట్టి this possibility is not applicable. So not correct this possibility. Next point, as many persons sit between U and R as between P and the one who buys Toyota. So between U and R, so U and R there are two persons here and here 3 persons is there, and coming to P and one who buys Toyota, so P here and one who buys Toyota, so left side 3 persons or right side 2 persons. సో ఇలా రావాలి మనకు. సో ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఫోర్డ్ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ టొయోటా ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకుంటే దిస్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ 2 persons, దిస్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ 3 persons. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ Q sits fourth to the right of V and doesn't buy Tata. Next point, so ఈ పాయింట్ చూస్తే Q is the fourth to the right of V. So where we can place V, and also Q is not by Toyota. Suppose if you place V here 1 2 3 4, here Q is there, Q is placing here, and coming to this one, if we place V here 1 2 3 and 4, here R is placing out. Only one possibility we left, that is V here, and 1 2 3 and 4, here Q is there. Next, the one who buys Ford sit adjacent to T. So Ford, the one who buys Ford sit adjacent to T, only one place we left, here already U is there. The one who buys Hyundai sits second to the right of T. So 1 2, here Hyundai, V is buys Hyundai. R does not buy Skoda, so R is not Skoda, so U is Skoda. The remaining car, that is Ferrari, buys by R. Okay, so it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Remaining person S is placing here. See the questions. Who among the following buys Skoda car? That is Skoda card buys by U. Which of the following statement is true? So see, T sits adjacent to one who buys Ford car. This is the correct one. V doesn't buy Toyota. So actually V doesn't buy Toyota. It is also correct one. V buys Hyundai. P sits adjacent to T. So P sits adjacent to T. It is not correct one. Only 1 and 2 correct. Which among the following combination is correct? P Toyota, so this one is not correct. R Skoda, not correct. Q Ferrari, not correct. S Tata, so S Tata is the correct one. how many person sit between V and Q. So V and Q when counts from left of Q. So it is the right side, it is the left side. 1, 2, 3. So total 3 persons are there. What is the position of the one who buys Ferrari with respect to S? So Ferrari here and S here. So 1, 2, 3. So third to the left. So third to the left is the answer. Next. So here we have inequalities. So see the first one. So options, conclusion 1 is true, conclusion 2, and either 1 or 2, neither 1 or 2, option 4, both conclusion 1, 2 is correct. So see the 14th one. So 14th one, first one, W greater than M. So are M less than W, both are correct. So M less than W. So M less than or equal to H less than or equal to R. So R here, R greater than or equal to D before W. So first one definitely follows. Next, T less than or equal to X. Actually T equal to R here, and also R is there. R less than or equal to X. So second one is also definitely follows. Option 5 is the answer. So option 5 is the answer. Next. Next. So R less than I. So see R here, I here. So here we have opposite signs. So first one not correct. Next, E greater than or equal to O. So E here and O here. Here also both so both opposite signs are there. So it is E equal to R. Instead of E we can write R here, and P equal to I. So instead of O we can write O here. Okay. So I here, O place to I would raskoch. So both are not follows, but 1 and 2 both are complementary pair. Either 1 or 2 follows. Question number 60. D greater than Q. So D here, D equal to T, and also Q here. So Q equal to M. So M to G, it means M less than G and G less than or equal to T, T equal to D. So first one is the correct one. Coming to the second conclusion, Q less than U. So Q here equal to M, M to G. So here already we have opposite sign, second one does not follow, only one is the answer. 17th one, Q less than P. So Q here, Q equal to R. So here P is there. So Q less than P. So Q to W, W equal to P. So Q less than or equal to W. So W equal to P. So here we have less than, here less than or equal to. So first one does not follow. Next, S greater than or equal to A. So see S. So S A from A less than or equal to Z. So Z less than or equal to W, W less than or equal to S. Second one definitely follows. There is no opposite sign. So second is the answer. Question number 18. A greater than or equal to M. So starting from M, M to D, and D greater than or equal to, so D, and next M. So definitely first conclusion follows. Q less than L. So see Q less than L. So already here we have opposite sign is there. So opposite sign is there. So second one does not follow, only one is answer. Next. So if we form a 4-letter meaningful word by using second, third, sixth and 13th. So second, that is E, third, that is M, and next sixth. So 4, 5, 6, that is O, and next 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So R. So by using these letters, how many meaningful words can be formed? So that is MORE. So more. So more. So only more on a word మాత్రమే మనం ఫామ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. Then what is the answer? So first letter of the meaningful word. So first letter, that is M. Next, coding and decoding. So first of all, try to find a code for each and every word, then answer for the questions. So first of all, decide winner before play. So play before left game. Before quit, decide first, and play game become winner. So first of all, see decide, and next, so decide. Okay, so decide. So what is the code for decide? That is C. only C is repeating in first and third. And next winner, so there is no winner, so winner and winner, only first and fourth. What is the code for winner? So that is only NR, so NR is the code for winner. Next before, so before and before, first, second and third. So see, first, second and third, that is EF. EF is the code for winner. Remaining play. And next play, first and fourth, and first, second and fourth. So what is the code for play? So YP and YP. Next, coming to the second sentence, left game and also quit first, game become. So see, game and game, so second and fourth, so game, that is MA. Remaining left, so what is the code for left? So that is TL. Next quit first, so quit or first, there is no other code for these two words, so either UV or SR. Okay, either UV or SR. Remaining become, so what is the code for become? That is BT, so become is coded as BT. So these are the codes for each and every word. Let us move on to the questions. So see the first question, question number 20. What will be the code for the word winner game? So winner, that is NR, and game, that is MA. NR and MA. And next, which among the following word will be coded as TL, that is left? Question number 22. First wrong is coded as JK and UV. And next, then what will be the code for wrong and kit? Actually, either pit or first is coded as UV or SR. Here, first wrong is coded as JK and UV. It means first is coded as UV. First is coded as UV. Then what about quit? So quit is coded as SR. So if quit is coded as SR, what is the wrong? So wrong is coded as, so we don't know what is the code of wrong. So see, SR. So where SR? SR ikkada undi. Okay, EF ante already manaku before and tells. So SR UV. So UV ante kuda manaki already tells, that is first. So SR JK, there is no JK code. So what is answer? Option 4. Which among the following combination is correct? So decide, EF, so not correct. Become BT, it is also not correct. Play and NR, and before YP, so before YP not correct. None of this is the answer. So 24 to 28. 9 persons read 3 different novels, The Lion, Two States and Harry Potter, but not necessarily in the same order. At least 2, but not more than 4 persons read the same novel. So here we have totally 3 novels, The Lion, Two States and next Harry Potter. So these 3 we have. Okay, here we have totally 3 novels is there, totally 9 persons are there. So at least 2 persons undali, and at more, so maximum vachesi only 4 persons maatrame like cheyali. So first possibility, and it is the second possibility. So see, O read same novel as R, but no one read Harry Potter. Okay, so O and R not read Harry Potter. So O and R, either placing OR here or OR here. M read same novel as T, but not same as R. So M and T, so both are reading same novel but not as R. Okay, so next point, only L read with the same book as N. So only L with N, these two are read only one book. Okay, so a book into manam telusukundam. Next, S read the same book as P, but neither of them same book as own or two states. So S is the same book as P. So S is same book as P, but both are not read neither same book of own or two states. So ikkada raadu ante S and P placing here. So it is the first possibility. Coming to second possibility, either S and P here or S and P here. It is the second possibility. And next Q doesn't read the lion, so Q is not read lion, so here Q is not placing. Next point, the number of persons read 2 states is more than the number of persons read the lion, so 2 states is more than the lion. Okay, so it is the one more condition. So where we can place these clues. So first of all, M and T both are reading same but not in so either M are here or M are here, M are here or M are here. M are not M are, it is the MT. So MT and also MT. L and N both are in both are like only one. So అది ఎక్కడ వస్తుందో మనకు తెలియాలి. And next coming to the second possibility. So coming to the second possibility. So see again we will do O read same as novel as R, but no one read Harry Potter. So O and R and also O and R. Next M read same novel as T but not same as R. So M read same novel as T but not read R. So maybe M and T here or M and T here. And next point. Next point, only L with N. So L and N. So this point is important. Next point, S read same as book P, but neither of them read O or 2 states. Okay. So S and P. So ఇక్కడ ఈ పాసిబిలిటీ ఒకసారి మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే, సో S P either M or T. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ MT వస్తే ఇక్కడ MT రాదు. ఓకే, సో డైరెక్ట్గా మనం చెప్పొచ్చు ఏంటంటే, సో ఇక్కడ MT రాడు. ఎందుకు? ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ L అండ్ N ఇద్దరు కూడా వస్తారు. ఇక్కడ L అండ్ N ఇద్దరు లైక్ చేస్తే S అండ్ MT ఈ నలుగురు కూడా ఒకే లైన్లో మనకి వస్తారు. ఎందుకంటే దీస్ టూ ఆర్ లైకింగ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మాత్రమే, దీస్ టూ ఆర్ లైకింగ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మాత్రమే. సో సెకండ్ పాసిబిలిటీలో కూడా సో ఇక్కడ SPMT. సో SPMT or L and N, SPMT or L and N. ఓకే, సో either L and N అయినా ఉండొచ్చు, SPMT ఎవరైనా ఉండొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి? సో Q doesn't read the lion. So Q doesn't read the lion. Maybe Q is placing here. సో Q ఇక్కడ మాత్రమే మనం ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ కూడా Qని ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, the number of persons read 2 states is more than the number of persons read the lion. So O R and the lion, so 2 states is more than the lion. SPMT and O L and N. And next, so ekkado manaki mistake ayindi, the number of persons read 2 states, so Q doesn't read the lion. And next S read the same book as P, but neither of them read same book as O or 2 states. So O or 2 states ikkada raadu. Okay, so maybe O and R. O read same novel as R, but so ekkado manaki ikkada mistake ayindi. O read same novel as R, but no one read Harry Potter. And also M read same novel as T, but not same as R, only L with N. And next S read same book as P, but neither of them read book O or 2 states. So this possibility is not correct. So remaining వచ్చేసి మనకి ఇక్కడ L and N వస్తాడు, O R Q and SPMT. సో అగైన్ వీ కెన్ సీ. సో కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం, చెక్ చేస్తే మనకి డైరెక్ట్గా తెలిసిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద ఫైనల్ వన్. Let us move on to the questions. How many persons read Harry Potter and Lion together? So Harry Potter total 4, the Lion is 2, that is totally 6 persons are there. So which among the following statement is true? So see, 3 persons read the Lion novel, so this is not correct. Next, least number of persons read the 2 novel, this is also not correct. More than 2 persons read Harry Potter, so only third one is the correct one. Which among the following novel does N read? So N read, that is the Lion King. So the Lion King. Next, if M is related to T, In the same way, O is related to Q. So M and T and O and Q. So following, L is related to N only. Okay. Next, what is the difference between the number of persons who read lion and number of persons who read 2 states? So the lion and 2 states, that is only 1. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Next, 29. So see 29. If we 1 added to the even digits, 2 subtracted from the odd. So even we can add +1, odd we can add -2. So for the number, that number is 8, 9, 6, 7, 4, 2, 5, 3, 7 and 4. So first of all, even +1 that is 9, 7, 5, 3 and next 5. So coming to the odd, so odd -2, so that is 7, 5 and next 3, 1 and 5. So how many digits with the number are repeated more than twice after rearrangement? So see 5, 5 and 5, 5. So 5, 5 and 5. 5 is the repeating more than twice. Remaining 3, 3 only 2 and 7, 7 only 2 times we have. So what is the answer? Only 5 is the answer. Next. So data sufficiency. So see the first one. Question number 30. Here we have 2 statements and also 1 question. 5 persons get different marks in an examination. Who among the following get highest mark? Okay. So total 5 persons are there. So from statement 1. So see first one. We need to find, it is the minimum score and it is the maximum score. So what is the question? Who among the following get highest mark? We need to find this one. Question number 1, statement 1. Only M gets lower mark than S. So it means M is lower mark and S is placing here. Only one person get marks between K and S. So between K and S, only one person is there. K gets less marks than A, but not just less. So see, so only 2 places we left. Okay. Suppose if placing A here, K is placing here. Okay, K is getting less marks than A, but not just less antunnadu kabatti. So first one is not correct. So it is the data insufficient. Next, statement 2. So first statement unte manaku answer ravatla. Statement 2. So total 5 and only 2 persons get marks between A and S. Who gets less marks than K? So between A and S, only 2 persons, either S or A. So first possibility, only 2 persons get marks between A and S. S who gets marks less than K. So it is the K. Coming to the second possibility, we can place K here or K here. K didn't get highest mark, so K is not placing here. Maybe K is placing here or here. Okay, K is placing here or here. So we don't know where we can place this person. So second one is also not answer. So what is the answer? Data 1 and 2 together not sufficient to the answer. So direct ga manam 4 తీసుకుంటాం. Next, second 32. So see, in which direction P stands with respect to K? So statement 1, J stand to the northwest of K. So J is the northwest of K. So northwest is this side. K who stands to the southwest of T. Southwest. So suppose if T is placing here, so K is the southwest of T. T stands to the south of J. So T is the south of J అంటున్నాడు. అలాంటప్పుడు T వచ్చేసి మనకి యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ రావాలి. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చిందంటే యాక్చువల్లీ T is the east of J actually. So first one is does not answer. So here P stands to the east of J అంటున్నాడు. And next, so there is no P. P ekkada ledu. Compare with J, P is the east of J. So P is the east of J. We don't know where we can place P. So first one is data inadequate. Data sufficient ga ledu manaki. Coming to the second one. So P stands to the east of S. So P is the east of S and who is stands to the north of M. So M is S is the north of M. K stands to the east of M. K stands to the east of M. T stands to the north of P. So T stands to the north of P. T neither stands to the north of K, neither to the northwest of K. so north west maybe K వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. సపోజ్ Kని ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా పెడతామనుకోండి, T వచ్చేసి Kకి నార్త్లో ఉంటుంది. సపోజ్ ఈ పాయింట్ దాటి కొంచెం ముందర K పెట్టామనుకోండి, T వచ్చేసి నార్త్ వెస్ట్లో ఉంటుంది Kకి. కాబట్టి సో దిస్ లైన్ ఈజ్ దిస్ వన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ P with respect to K? So P here and also K here, definitely P is the northeast of K. So second one is the answer. 32 to 35 we have syllogism. So see the first one. All ice is cake, only a few cake are melt. So only few cake are melt. Some melt is brown. So some melt is brown. Conclusions: all ice being melt is a possibility. So ice here and melt here is a possibility. So definitely first one follows. All cake can never be brown. So actually all cake can be brown is follows. So second one does not follow. So what is the answer? 32. So option 1. It means only conclusion 1 is follow. Only cashew is almond. It means all almond are cashew. So here only statement is follows. So only cashew is rights on almond. No one has right to enter into almond. Only a few rise in our cashew. So only a few rise in our cashew. No rise in our walnut. No rise in our walnut. No almond is walnut. So almond here, walnut here. Actually only cashew is almond gauti. Definitely first one follows. No almond is walnut. Definitely follows. Some cashew is not rising. So some cashew is not rising. So second one, actually second one is also follow. So some cashew is not almond. Why? Because only almond is the cashew gavati. So this part is not rising. So second one is also follows. Option 5. 34. So 34, only a few guide are reasonable. So only a few guide are reasonable. All guide are prayer. So all guide are prayers. Some resembles are not faith. So some resembles are not faith. All prayer can be reasonable. So prayer here and reasonable here. Suppose if all prayer becoming reasonable, so ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది వైలేట్ అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్ డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. సో దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ వచ్చేసి వైలేట్ అవుతుంది. ఓన్లీ ఏ ఫ్యూ గైడ్ ఈజ్ రైజన్. ఆల్ ప్రేయర్స్ రీజనబుల్లోకి వెళ్తే డెఫినెట్గా గైడ్ కూడా రీజనబుల్లోకి వెళ్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది వైలేట్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ వన్ డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. సమ్ ఫెయిత్ ఈజ్ నాట్ గైడ్. సో సమ్ ఫెయిత్ ఈజ్ నాట్ గైడ్. సో second one is also not follows. We don't have any particular relation between faith and guide. So second one is also not follows. Option 4. 35, only a few goal is basket. So only a few goal is basket. Some basket is ground. So some basket is ground. It is gold. No rain is ground. So no rain is ground. All rain being gold is not a possibility. So all rain being gold. So rain here and gold here. So actually there is no definite relation between rain and gold. So first one does not follow. All basket can never be rain. So basket here and rain here. Okay, suppose if all basket rain lo manam raskunte ikkada some relation manam establish cheyalem kabatti second one does not follow. Second one is also not follow. So but ikkada can never be antunadu kabatti can never be aithe definitely it is follow. So can be aithe not follow. So can never be kabatti so second one definitely follows. Option 2 is the answer. Next, so 36 to 40. So here we have one more puzzle. 7 persons attend swimming classes on 7 different days, Monday to Sunday. So starting from Monday to Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and next Sunday. So person and class. Okay, it is the person and second possible, it is the second possible. See the first one. So each person carry different bags. So starting from, so student, 2 persons attend classes between B and one who carries Fendi bag. B attend the class after Tuesday but before the one who carry Fendi bags. So Tuesday means first of all B is placing here 1 2 here Fendi bag. Second possibility B and Fendi bag. Next point. As many persons before the one who carries Fendi bag, after one who carries Levi bag. So before Fendi, so after Levi. So here Levi. C attend the class 3 persons after the one who carry Levi. So 1 2 3. So here already B is there. So this one is not applicable. 1 2 3. Here C is placing. So what it means? C attend the class 3 persons after. So 1 2 3. Here C is placing. 1 2 3. Here C is placing. And next point. G attend the class after C, but before one who carry Doiro. So after C, so after C, Saturday and Sunday. So Wednesday 1 2 and 3. So actually C is placing in Friday. So C is placing in Friday, and here G is placing, and remaining so bag is placing here. So we don't have any place to fix C. Next point. No one attend the class between A and E who attend class after the one who carry channel. So no one is attend A and E, and E is attend after the one who carry channel bag. So here channel bag is there. D attend the class 4 persons after carry baggage bag. Suppose here baggage. So 1 2 3 and 4. Here D is placing. The one who carries hide sign bag after F. So here F is there. Here hide sign, and remaining prayed bag is there. Okay. So it is the final arrangement. Questions. See the first question. Who among the following carry Prada bag? So Prada bag, that is F. How many persons attend class between A and G? So A and G 1 2 3 4 persons are there. Which among the following combination is correct? B Friday, not correct. D so this one is the correct. So D, so this is also not correct. E Tuesday, so E Tuesday is the correct. Who among the following attend swimming class on Sunday? So Sunday, that is D. Which of the following statement is false? No one attend class before A. True. C carry Fendi bag. So it is also correct. More than 4 persons attend class before D. So it is also correct. B carries baggage. So last one is the not correct.